teacher got a plan, not a maybe. Her to-do list tight, motivation daily. She don't sit stuck, she move boldly. Discipline is freedom, yeah, she told me. Can't check the list, dominating, teacher mark it done. One by one, she don't run from none. Bitch, if it's on the page, it's already won. Focus, mind rising with the sun. Talent, get it done, she don't just plan, she finish. Every task she touch is handled with purpose.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm trying something different. So if you're new here, bear with me. And if you're returning, girl, you already know I be trying everything. So you know it's time to get our month started. It is July, y'all. It is July. Okay, so we are about to get started here. And we're just going to see how this works. So all I need to do today, all you need to do is get all of this done. So we're going to start off doing this together. And then I'm going to show you the finished product. Y'all, I'm trying to type and look at the same time. Y'all, no. I like to write my stuff separate. So I read 2 books and I have not logged them yet. I'm starting another book. I got to read 2 books this month to be on track. And so what we want to do is erase all of this. And then we're going to stick these things up here. These are just some things I need to get done this month. All right, we got a hair appointment on Wednesday. So I'm really having trouble seeing. Because there's nothing wrong with my vision. Like I can see, I guess what they would call it would be, what is it? Nearsighted, because I can't, no, farsighted. I can see far away, I can't see close up. And because I never had no eye problem, I don't know. This is a little weird for me. You know what I mean? I know my arm all in the way. I got to learn how to do this, y'all. So I got to practice. So we just trying to see how we set up this week. I am going to Maryland this weekend. You know, next month, maybe I should try typing all this stuff instead of talking about, oh, I'm just going to write it. And it might be a little better. Instead of all this, what I got going on. I'm really going to leave Wednesday night after my hair appointment. All right, so my coworker goes on vacation, and that is important for me to remember because that means I'll be in here by myself. I am teaching summer school, and so I need to remember that she's going to be on vacation, so that's the only reason I'm writing it. I guess I put apostrophe S here. All right, and it's my brother's birthday. And my mom's husband's family reunion, I'm going to help her out. And I do abbreviate. So we just where we at right now. So we're going to erase all of that. What's going on here? That must be on a different layer. Let's see if that's the case. Yep. Good morning. So we just gonna move this up here. So that's all I'm doing, guys. I'm moving this around. Come on. Oh, I gotta go back to the right layer. Go down on Thursday, I think I told my mom. And then my brother's birthday is that Saturday. All right, and this is the last day of summer school. We getting there. I love my new keyboard. I had one before, but I didn't use it. But filming, y'all get to see me in the raw today, how I do it. Now, usually I'll be screen recording, but I left my mic at home. And if this don't sound good, I don't know what I'm going to do. I do use different size fonts when I'm doing this. And then I'm going to spend 2 days at my aunt's house.
Am I going to be in the room today?
Yeah.
You just asked me. You thought I was kidding.
Because you don't stay focused if you're not in my room.
Fine, Tuesday.
Okay, well, what's the problem of being here with me? I care about you. Get your computer and start on your Edgenuity. Come on, sir. Get your computer. I think I'm gonna go to my aunt's house and do Thursday through Friday.
And then go to Maryland.
No, I'm filming.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're fine. They know this is a reality. All right, we're almost done, guys. People are coming in, but y'all know how we do. We just gonna keep it rolling. It's just like I was vlogging. And then we got Tuesdays of summer leadership. And that's on a different layer. And then we're gonna go back to the layer that I was on. Two days of summer leadership. There we go. All right, and then I can use the same words over here to say off. And that's the only week I'm gonna have off. Because I think I report this work the next week. So I need to find me something to do. So that's it, guys. I know it was short. I do need to type this up here, and I will show you the final results and what I decide to use to decorate. And I thank you for joining me, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Happy planning.